Welcome to FreeCAD Part Modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will familiar with the linear pattern feature of the FreeCAD. So I have a model, a part, and in this part I wanted to pattern the hole, these 3 holes on left hand side and 3 on the right hand side. So if you see my model, I have already drawn 2 holes, one is left, one is right side, and now I will make it pattern. So to use the pattern feature in a FreeCAD, we have to click on linear pattern. Okay, so if we click on the linear pattern, so it will show all the features in the model tree. So we have to confirm which features we wanted to add to the linear pattern. For example, pad 001, pocket and hole, these all are already added, means these all are the valid. But which feature we wanted to pattern? We wanted to pattern the hole, which is our last feature. So select hole and I will select OK. So this feature is get added here. Now in the direction sections you will see that it automatically selected the directions. Okay, horizontal sketch direction, but I want my pattern in the y direction, sorry, x direction. So I will go here and select my base x-axis and the length, and if I go to my sketch, the length pitch between 2 holes is 90. So I will say here 90, sorry, total length of the pitch is 180, and number of occurrences I want 3. So this will be 90 and here it will be 90. Okay, so this is how linear pattern feature works. Okay, and now there is a this side is the 3 hole which we will do. So I will select this face and I say sketch, and I will make a circle, and I will project this and I will make it vertical, and our mid size is diameter of 15. So I will go here and give diameter of 15. I will exit from the sketch. I will go to the hole features. I press 0 and here I want through all. So I will say through all, diameter 15, and if I rotate my model, okay, so now we will do pattern of this. So what we will do, we will select linear pattern. The feature we wanted to pattern is hole 001. So I will select hole 001 and click on OK. This will be get added here, and here is a horizontal axis. So it is automatically selected, and if you see that this all hole are the inline, so this will be total length of 180, occurrences 3. It's, if you see, it is patterned beautifully. It automatically selected the horizontal sketch axis, but I will give S axis and I will say OK. So this is how linear pattern feature works in a FreeCAD. So if you have any doubt, you can leave your comment in the comment section of the video. If you have any suggestions for upcoming video, leave your comments. So this is all about linear pattern features of the FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.